Hey everybody, it's Brianopolis and welcome back to my channel. I am starting a new project today for my channel under the name Man of Merit. I don't know if you've been following me for a while, but I had a blog a while back that was all about lifelong learning, and that was called Man of Merit. At the time I was doing a lot of outdoor stuff, hiking. For example, I wanted to learn about the outdoors, so I took training from the Potomac Appalachian Trail Club and some other trail clubs, became certified as a hike leader. I changed my career to become a retail operations manager at an outdoor store to learn all about that, jargon, lingo, everything. For the past several years, I've been working in timeshare, and I learned a lot about sales, and that's got to be part of the Man of Merit blog as well. But I'm starting a new vlog, and I got a job where I'm working at a Subaru dealership, and so I am out here in the lot just taking a look at the inventory and some of the new colors that are coming in for this year. Bunch of Crosstreks just came in. These brand new Crosstreks are the hottest thing out there. Yeah, they're pretty amazing, but we only have, like, you know, my Crosstrek that I bought in 2017, I literally bought for the color. Loved it. It was that hyper blue, really stood out on the lot. The car, I think, that stands out on the lot right now, there's two different colors. It's this one right here. I love this one. By the way, let me explain what I'm doing. This is all about lifelong learning as well. So, as I'm learning about cars and learning about these Subarus so that I can sell them, I'm going to be putting that on the Man of Merit vlog. Okay. Pure red. Pure red is the name of this color. It's a nice looking red, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that red, huh? Just look at that. That one's got a sunroof. So I need to learn about why these cars are so amazing, but everybody's loving on these, saying it's a real step up in an already great vehicle. Oh, look at this color over here. This one, you know, this is the one that you're like, huh, it's like bold. Take a look at this. What would you think that color would be called? What is that color? What is that? I'll tell you. It is hold on, let me just show you the back. Sorry for the shaky camera work. It's just me on a tiny little stick right here. Let's take a look. Okay, it's called Plasma Yellow Pearl. That's crazy. Plasma Yellow Pearl. Beautiful car though. I don't know what it is, but I just love colorful cars, and I know a lot of people are into more of the subdued colors, and I really love, you know, these as well. That's why we have, you know, a good stock of these coming in. But yeah, that's what's hot right now, and so I'm excited. Anyway, as I learn, I'm going to be sharing with you. Man of Merit is a learning blog, and I'm going to do these videos to just progress along in my own learning journey and share it with you guys. I'm going to be learning the different trim levels and how to basically present this car to the public, and I'm excited about that. So I hope you'll keep following me, checking out this vlog, and as I have more to post, I'll also be on Instagram, Brianopolis, and of course YouTube. My channel is Brianopolis, so keep checking me out. Thanks.